Alright family, it's Chelsea and today I'm bringing you cookies and cream protein shake with blueberries. I was pretty amazed to find how well blueberries worked with cookies and cream flavored protein powder. Would I say it's a match made in heaven? No, I would leave that for strawberries and Fruit Loops, but it's very close. It's very close. I didn't think there would be any fruit that I could match with cookies and cream, but blueberries really work well. So without further ado, let's get into what you'll need to make this recipe. You're gonna need cookies and cream flavored protein powder, blueberries, chia seeds, some Greek yogurt, some kefir, almond milk, a blender, and a 1 cup measuring cup, and I guess a 1/4 cup measuring cup as well. Alright, so usually I'm a bit more mindful of the order that I put things into the blender, and I talk a lot about that in other videos. For some reason I just didn't care so much here, but really and truly this blender is different from most other blenders I've seen, at least most other blenders I've seen growing up, because it has blades at, I want to say, 2 or 3 different levels throughout the blender, so it can get to different layers of food easily. Also, this particular shake doesn't have very many ingredients that are difficult to blend together. But all of that aside, this is a very straightforward recipe. All you have to do is put everything in the blender and blend away. You can use as much blueberries as you want. One thing I will say about blueberries and any sort of shake that you want to make in your life is that blueberries tend to congeal very readily. So I would always get confused when I would make some sort of blueberry shake or smoothie, and you know, it would come out nice at first, but then it would congeal and get extremely thick very quickly. And that's because that's just what blueberries do. So keep that in mind. You know, you may want to drink this one right away. I don't think I've ever let it sit enough to know if it really does congeal like the smoothies I've made in the past. But you know, it's pretty delicious. Maybe you don't want it to sit around. Maybe you want to get into it right away. Or alternatively, you could probably add a lot more almond milk to make sure that it doesn't congeal. Anyway, once you add everything to the blender, you're going to blend it all up and put it in whatever serving cup you want to use. I want to say this comes out to be under a liter. I'm almost certain it comes out to be under a liter, because I feel like I poured everything into the mason jar without leaving anything behind. So this is the finished product. I hope you enjoy it. Here's the price per meal breakdown. Here are the nutrition facts. As always, I hope you're having a lovely day. And I'll catch you guys next time. Please leave a like and a comment, and you know, subscribe, and everything else that you would do for your favorite YouTuber, do that for me. And like I said, I'll catch you next time. Bye!